Why being busy doesn't mean you're productive. Busy does not equal productive. You can work all day and still achieve nothing meaningful. Being busy feels productive, but it often isn't. The real problem most people focus on, meeting small tasks, constant activity instead of real impact. What productivity really means: productivity is about output, results, progress, not how many hours you worked. The hidden trap: doing easy tasks gives quick satisfaction, but important work is hard, time-consuming, mentally demanding, so people avoid it. What high performers do they focus on? High-impact tasks, deep work, fewer but meaningful actions. The shift from doing more to doing what matters. Real example: writing one quality feature is more valuable than attending 5 meetings. The result: less work, more impact, faster growth. The final take: don't measure your day by how busy you were. Measure it by what you actually achieved. Rocket.